What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of Quell's World. I'm your host, Mr. JD Quells, and today I have a special episode for you guys. Like I told you guys before, I'll be dropping my car up to fashin1automotvie to get the engine bay and interior work done, and also start working on the all-wheel drive setup. Man, I can't wait. I'm super excited. I'm super happy to have this car finally out of the garage after it'll be 3 years this year. The car will finally be getting ready and prepped and ready to go. The biggest thing for this car is to have this car done. Hopefully I'm aiming for July. That's my goal, to have the car with the motor in and ready to go. I don't know if it'll be tuned yet, depends on my tuner's date, but I'm really excited and I'm happy that I'm getting this car finally to fashin1automotvie. But without further ado, thank you guys for watching again. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate all the support. Big thanks to Kevin. Big thanks to Eric out there at fashin1automotvie. The car's finally dropped off. The car's ready to go, and I'm very excited to have this car come back. It's going to look like a masterpiece. Stay tuned, guys. Can't wait to see their work. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.